Assalamualaikum and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show how we repeatedly draw function on GeoGebra. It means that if we have a function, if we want to repeat that function for some interval, let's say minus pi to pi or 0 to 2 pi. So let's dive in. This is a classic GeoGebra 6 window, and I'm going to consider the function f of is equal to x mod, and then I give you the command that repeat that function time again for some period, some interval minus pi to pi or 0 to 2 pi. So first of all, we have mod of x, the mod of x, then minus 2 into pi star, and we have floor function. Select the floor function, and here we insert the denominator. In the numerator we have x plus pi, and in the denominator we have 2 pi. So there we go. Now this function mod of x is repeated over the interval minus pi to pi. As you can see that this its graph is repeated infinite many times. So you can try with some other function, let's say x square or any function else. Like the video, subscribe the channel, share it. Thanks for watching.